Transferring your Signal account and messages to a new phone depends on whether you use Android or iPhone. Signal offers a seamless transfer process using QR codes for secure migration. Simply follow these steps. Firstly, ensure both the old and new iPhones are running the latest version of the Signal app. Keep both phones nearby and both devices must have access to the internet. Now, download and install Signal from the Google Play Store and open the Signal on the new phone and register with your existing phone number. Now all you have to do is enter the phone number and the code of your previous Signal account. Now follow the on-screen instructions to sign in to the account and wait for the transfer to finish. All your messages and settings will be securely transferred to the new phone after you log in. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.